Morning children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home, right? Okay, so today I suppose you have completed your chapter 4. Actually, we have all completed chapter 4. Yes, clothes. We studied what type of clothes. Yes, we studied different types of clothes according to the season. Summer season में हम कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं? कैसे कपड़े पहनते हैं? Cotton clothes. Yes, woolen in winters and rainwear in rainy season or monsoon season, right? Then we saw uniform. Okay, special type of uniform which a group of members wear, right? An example was your school uniform. Yes. Then we saw the religious dresses. Okay, different religion have different dresses. Then there are different according to the not only to the states but different parts of the world also. Yes, this all things we have studied in chapter 4. So today we are going to discuss question answers of this chapter. Okay, even of the textbook and notebook. I'll be sharing a PDF file for you where you will see what you have to do in your textbook and notebook. Okay. So children, in chapter 4 in notebook you only have to do stick any 5 pictures of clothes of different season. Okay, in chapter 4 in notebook you only have to stick the pictures of clothes of different season. Okay, which season? Summer season, winter season and rainy season. Okay, then in your textbook we start with the exercise. It says filling in the blanks. Clothes are SOMETHING, something. Okay, clothes are something that we need to dash, that we need to wear. WEAR, wear. Okay, daily. कपड़े कुछ ऐसी चीजें जो हम रोज पहनते हैं, right? So clothes are something that we need to wear daily. Okay, clothes protect us from rain, heat and dash. Okay, in the very beginning of the chapter we have already learned that clothes protect us from rain, heat and cold. Okay, rain, heat and cold weather. What is the spelling of weather? WEATHER, weather. Okay, protect spelling we have already learned. PROTECT, protect. Clothes spelling also my children know, है ना? What is the spelling of clothes? CLOTHES, clothes. Very good. Next question is, we wear dash clothes in summer. So in summer what do we wear? We wear woolen clothes or cotton clothes? We wear cotton clothes. So what is the spelling of cotton? COTTON, cotton. Okay, then rainwear is made of dash materials like rubber and plastic. So rubber and plastic are which type of material? Waterproof material. Which type of material? Waterproof material. Here in the bracket they have given waterproof or light. Okay, so what kind of material it is? Waterproof. What is the spelling? WATERPROOF, waterproof. Then next, the students of a school wear dash daily. We have just recalled it, we just revised it कि स्कूल के बच्चे क्या पहनते हैं बच्चों? जीन्स या यूनिफॉर्म? यूनिफॉर्म. Yes. What is the spelling of uniform? UNIFORM, uniform. Then question B is write yes or no. Okay, so very first statement is clothes protect us from hot weather. कपड़े हमें hot weather से सेव करते हैं, protect करते हैं. Yes or no? Yes, very good. We get silk from plants. Do we get silk from plants? No. Then from where do we get silk? We get silk from silkworm. Okay, the small insect silkworm. We get silk from that insects. Okay, then sheep give us wool. Yes, sheep give us wool. This statement is right. Okay, then raincoats are made of rubber. Raincoats are made up of rubber or plastic. So it is right. This statement is right. So we will write here yes. Y-E-S, yes. And the fifth statement, we should wear dirty clothes. If you remember in the last good habits or good etiquettes, good manners, in that we had learned that we should always wear clean clothes. We should keep our body clean. Yes? So here the statement is saying that we should wear dirty clothes. Should we wear dirty clothes? Yes or no? No, na? So this statement is wrong. So we will write here N-O, no. Okay. Now the third question, that is the C question, it says look at the picture. Now complete the following pairs. Okay. You have to look at the picture and you have to complete the missing word. Okay. There is a pair. Pair means two. You always wear everything in two, right? Jeans top, salwar kameez. Okay. So similarly, there are some pairs given which you have to write. That is skirt and top. Skirt and top. Then S-H-I-R-T, shirt. S-H-I-R-T, shirt and pants. If you remember, we have studied that when father goes to office, what do you see him wearing? Pant shirt. Yes? So, with shirt we have pant. Then with dhoti we have kurta. Every traditional or any festival you wear dhoti kurta. Yes? Or if you have puja at your home, that pandit comes and what is he wearing? He is wearing that dhoti kurta. Yes? So what is the pair with the dhoti? We have kurta. The spelling of kurta is K-U-R-T-A. Okay? Okay. So the next question number D. What does it say? It says shown below, S-H-O-W-N. Shown below मतलब दिखाया गया नीचे. Below means नीचे. Are some items, I-T-E-M-S, items that we wear along with our clothes. Write their names in the table. See children, there are some pictures given. Okay. जब आप dresses डालते हैं तो उसके साथ कुछ accessories भी डालते हैं. Yes. So girls, when they are wearing frock, they wear hairbands, they wear necklaces. All these are accessories. When boys are wearing jeans top, sometimes they are wearing watch, nice belt, or they are wearing cap. So all these are some accessories which you wear with the clothes to look elegant, to look nice. Yes, to have a good attire, to have a good personality. Yes. So here some pictures are given. Sorry. Yes. So here some pictures are given. The first picture is of cap. What is the spelling of cap? C-A-P, cap, right? Number 2, what is it? It is a tie. Yes, with pant shirt, with coat pant, when you wear the blazers. Yes, you must have seen your fathers in the formal attires, formal clothes, they wear tie. So, what is the spelling of tie? T-I-E, tie. Yes, and again the third one is belt. What is the spelling of belt? B-E-L-T, belt. Okay. So here, moving on to the last question, E. It says answer the following questions. These questions can come in exam, so you have to learn these questions. Okay. And from textbook also we can have any question. Not very tough, but any simple questions can come. That we will do in the revision worksheet. Okay. This is just for your information. No need to worry. Especially for parents. Okay. Which type of clothes are usually worn in summer? Cotton or silk? कौन से कपड़े हम summer season में पहनते हैं? Cotton या silk? Yes, cotton clothes. So what we will write here? We wear cotton clothes in summer. What is the spelling? We, W-E, we, W-E-A-R, wear cotton, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton clothes. C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes in summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Okay, then name an animal that gives us wool. We had learned 5 animals which help us in giving the wool. So sheep give us wool. Okay, which animal gives us wool? So you can write sheep. What is the spelling of sheep? S-H-E-E-P. Sheep give us wool. What is the spelling of wool? You can see in the question also, and you should also learn it. What is the spelling of wool? W-O-O-L, wool. Okay. Then the third question. How do we get silk? We get silk from silkworm. What is the spelling of silkworm? S-I-L-K-W-O-R-M, silkworm. What is the spelling of silkworm? S-I-L-K-W-O-R-M, silkworm. Okay. And the last question, name any 2 rainwear items. In that paragraph of, rainy season, we have so many rainwear. Okay, all together they make the rainwear, rain jacket, pants, yes, raincoat, all these are what? They are rainwear. So any 2 you have to name. Out of them I have written 2. One is raincoat and the other one is gumboots. What is the spelling of raincoat? R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, raincoat. What is the spelling of raincoat? R-A-I-N-C-O-A-T, raincoat. Then the second one is gumboots. What is the spelling? G-U-M-B-O-O-T-S, gumboots. G-U-M-B-O-O-T-S, gumboots. So children, with this we complete our chapter number 4. You have to do both the work in your notebook, where you have to stick the pictures according to the seasons, and in the textbook you will complete these question answers and all the exercise work, yes or no blanks, right? And read the chapter properly. Okay, till then stay home, take care, goodbye.